Hey guys, Casey.Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. The weather is getting colder. Camping season may be coming to an end unless you're camping in a Nash travel trailer. This is the new 2019 Nash 26N, built by Northwood. They kind of wrote the book on cold weather, all seasons camping. Couple things about the trailer: comes with the power tongue jack, dual propane tanks. We're going to put a couple batteries on there for you. It is pre-wired for a portable solar panel, so you can put nice solar panel up here to catch whatever sun you can get. On this side, you've got nice, it's hard to see on the video, but these are thick, well insulated doors, magnetic latches, and of course your front storage. This one doesn't go all the way through because on the other side there is it's actually generator prep. So this is one of the few travel trailers that you can put a generator in, insulated and pre-wired. Coming down the side of the trailer, you've got this nice rail here, which comes with attachments so you can mount an outside barbecue right here on the side of the trailer in the center of it. It's got a nice big 10-gallon hot water heater. Most trailers have 6. This has a nice 10-gallon. You've got your outside speakers, outside a full-length awning, and that speaker there in the middle is pretty slick. I believe that is a Bluetooth speaker, so you can Bluetooth music off of your phone. Plus it's got little LED lights in it for porch lights. Around here on the back, you got a nice bumper, a ladder so you can get up and inspect your roof, and then the bumper does have a little receiver here so you can add another little storage. That's not for towing obviously, but you can add another storage or a bike rack or something of that sort. You've got propane, quick connect right there, so you could set up another barbecue or something else back here. Let's go inside and take a look what the inside's got. This Nash, again 26N, in my opinion is a perfect couples coach. You've got plenty of room, very comfortable in the main living area. You've got the nice big back windows. Again, this is only a 26-foot trailer, so it's not overly long, but you still get the rear lounge effect. Nice couch back here, big windows. You can really catch the view. You've also got your dinette. The dinette does fold down into a bed as well. I talked earlier outside about portable solar. This does come with built-in solar already. It's not a very big panel, but it's solar nonetheless to help keep your batteries maintained. The kitchen, plenty of counter space, nice stainless steel sink, nice high-rise faucet. Nash is known for their cabinetry. It's all solid wood cabinets. They use incredible quality wood, just very high quality all around. Nice high arched ceiling, plenty of space. Over here you've got more storage. It goes about halfway through the slide because on the outside there's a matching cabinet that mirrors this, so you've got extra outside closet as well. Keep your fishing poles or something like that. Got a nice TV, very easy, very viewable throughout the coach. Got the nice wood tone matching fridge and freezer, double door, plenty large. A little more storage up here, pantry space. Keep all your food. And then come in up front. Look at this, just little raised inlays in the door. Coming up front, your front bedroom is your bedroom and bathroom, which is nice. Again, with the couples coach, it gives you plenty of space that you can get out of the shower and you're in your bedroom, you can get dressed. You do have a curtain right here for a little bit of privacy, if you need some privacy. But other than that, again, just a lot of room. You got a nice full-size queen bed. There is storage underneath as well, separated from your outside storage. Then you've got nice wardrobes on either side. You're gonna have to learn to fold. No hanging wardrobe in there. Nice storage up above as well. There is power on both sides of the bed. And then a spot up here for you to hang another TV, plus the front exit door. Again, this is the 2019 Nash 26N. If you have any questions about this one or anything else we have in inventory, give me a call. Love to talk to you. 541-953-9171. Talk soon.